You probably use turmeric, but are you using in a right way? For joints, comfort, digestion, immunity, and more, turmeric has been used traditionally for generations. But the way you consume it matters. For example, turmeric can be combined with black pepper and other ingredients in different preparations. Here are some traditional ways to make turmeric part of your daily routine. Namaskar. For thousands of years, Ayurveda has called turmeric a healing spice. Today, modern research is catching up. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been studied for its role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two major factors linked to aging and many chronic diseases. So, let's understand the benefits of turmeric and why you should take it daily. The first benefit is that turmeric helps calm chronic inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism, but when it stays switched on for months or years because of poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, or inactivity, it slowly damages your tissues. This silent inflammation has been linked with heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even memory decline. Curcumin has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. Ayurveda also has traditional ways of using turmeric externally. Let me tell you one such traditional method to use turmeric to reduce inflammation. What you have to do is take some raw turmeric and crush it into fine paste using a mortar and pepper. Then crush 15-20 neem leaves to fine paste. Now mix both of these with sesame oil or mustard oil. Add a little bit of besan to make a paste-like consistency. Now apply this to the soles of your feet once a week. Cover your feet with muslin cloth and sleep peacefully. Soak your feet in lukewarm salt water the next morning to remove the paste. Your feet has millions of nerve endings. This soothes the nerves and helps you work on your inflammation. The second benefit of turmeric is supporting healthier joints. If climbing steps has become uncomfortable on your knees, if you feel stiff in the morning, turmeric may help. Curcumin has been known to support the joint comforts by helping reducing inflammation around the joints. It is not an overnight cure, but when combined with regular yoga, healthy weight, and balanced nutrition, it will make a positive difference over time. Now, let me give you the best ways to use turmeric for healthier joints. What you have to do is gently heat 1 cup of cow milk. It should be lukewarm. To this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of sesame paste, 1 pinch of ginger powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Have it in the evening at around 4-5 pm. While turmeric helps with joint comfort, sesame seeds have calcium, which is good for bones and joints. Black pepper contains pepperine, which increases the absorption of curcumin and make it even more effective. So consistently consuming turmeric like this with supportive ingredients helps in better joint health. But don't forget that human body is designed to move. So stay active, keep moving your body, and use turmeric as a support for joint comfort. Another benefit of turmeric is for better digestion. Ayurveda has long used turmeric to kindle digestive fire. Curcumin encourages to healthy bile flow, which helps digest fat more efficiently. It will also reduce occasional bloating and support a healthier gut environment. For better digestion, let us make turmeric-ajwain buttermilk. What you have to do is heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Let the spice become little aromatic and then switch off the flame. Let the mixture cool down. Then add 1 cup of fresh buttermilk. Add some freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves. Add a little rock salt according to taste. Mix everything well and drink it slowly, sip by sip. This spiced buttermilk will improve your digestion. You can have it with your lunch or 30 minutes before lunchtime. A healthy gut gets reflected into your energy, immunity, skin, and even mood. Now, let's look at the next benefit of turmeric, which is stronger immunity. Every day, your immune system is working silently to protect you. Turmeric supports this natural defense because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. Along with adequate sleep, regular exercise, and yogic breathing practices, it becomes another small habit that strengthens your resilience. Let me give you a powerful immunity boosting turmeric kadha. What you have to do is boil 2 cups of water, add half an inch of raw turmeric, 5-6 peppercorn, 2-3 cloves, 3-4 fresh tulsi leaves, and some pieces of fresh lemongrass. Boil till the water reduces to half the quantity. Strain and drink it warm on an empty stomach. It should be taken in the morning. If you have a sensitive stomach, take it after some light breakfast and reduce the amount of pepper and clove. You can include this kadha into your wellness routine, especially during seasonal changes. Remember, long-lasting good health is built by making many small healthy choices consistently. The fifth benefit is brain health. Just like the rest of your body, the brain is also affected by the oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Researchers suggest curcumin also supports healthy brain function and protect brain cells as we grow older. To use turmeric for brain health, gently warm 1 cup of cow milk or almond milk. The milk should be lukewarm. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of pure cow ghee, and a pinch of black pepper and 1 pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix it well and add little honey for sweetness if you want. Drink this in the evening or before going to bed. Curcumin, when combined with black pepper and healthy fat from ghee, is better absorbed by the body and provides antioxidants and anti-inflammatory support for healthy brain function as you age. The sixth benefit is naturally a healthier skin. Healthy skin begins from within. Turmeric's antioxidant property help protect yourself from damage done by pollution, stress, and everyday wear and tear. It has also been traditionally used in face pack to brighten the skin and calm irritation. Here is a beautiful Ayurvedic face mask you can try once a week. To make this mask, take 1 tablespoon of finely ground besan, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of rose petal powder, and enough fresh milk or plain yogurt to make a smooth paste. Apply it for 15 minutes before washing it off with cool water. This simple turmeric mask brings together ingredients traditionally used to gently cleanse, soothe, and refresh your skin, giving it a naturally healthy glow for years to come. Take care of your body every day because true wellness is not created in 1 or 2 days. It's created through small, consistent habits that created as way of life. Namaskar.